This dance is called That's the Day. It's a 32 count, full wall, improver level line dance. Starting on the right foot, you're going to step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right. On the and count, you're going to bring the right beside the left, and then you're going to go into a left-footed cross shuffle, crossing the left over right, right to the side, left over right. Add on a heel grind, making a quarter of a turn to the right. So you're going to step that right forward, grind the heel, quarter of a turn, and as you do, you're going to step back on that left, and then just rock back on the right and recover. That set of steps once more then. Side behind, off on that right. 7, 8. Side, behind, and cross, shuffle, heel, grind, back, rock. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself another half a turn to the left. You're then going to step forward on the right, and you're going to roll your hips anti-clockwise for 4 counts. So you should theoretically be able to do 2 revolutions. That set of steps once more then. Step pivots off on the right. 7, 8. Step, pivot, step, pivot, hip, roll. Now you have got the equivalent of a full turn in this section with your double step pivot half. Should you wish to try and take that out, just replace it with a rocking chair. So rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, and then you can go into your hip rolls. The choreographer has also given you an alternative. If you can't do your hip rolls, just sway for 4 counts. Sway right, left. So alternative steps, non-turning and non-rolling steps, should you need them in that section. Let's add that to the top. Side behind up on the right. 7, 8. Side, behind and cross, shuffle, heel, grind, back, rock. Step, pivot, roll, 2, 3, 4. You're then going to rock back on the right, recover your weight on that left, into a half shuffle turn over your left shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Then step back on the left, hitch in the right, step back on the right, hitch the left. Now when you do these back hitches, if you wish, when you step back on the left, hitch the right and slap the inside of your knee with your left hand. Back on the right, hitch the left, slap the inside of the left knee with your right hand. That set of steps once more then. Back rock off on the right. 7, 8. Back rock. Half shuffle. Back hitch. Back hitch. Let's add that to the top. Side behind up on the right. 7, 8. Side, behind and cross, shuffle, heel, grind, back, rock. Step, pivot, roll, 2, 3, 4. Back, rock, half shuffle, back, hitch, back, hitch. You go into a left-footed coaster step, so you step back on that left, right beside left, step that left forward. Walk forward 2 steps, right, left. Going into some jazz jumps. So you're going to jump the right forward on the and count, jump the left beside the right on count 5, hold and clap. You're then going to jump backwards, jumping back on the right on the and count, you jump the left beside the right on count 7, and then you're going to do some knee pops. So you're effectively bending your knees as you lift your heels and then lowering the heels again, straightening up, and 8. that set of steps once more then. Coaster step off on the left. 7, 8. Coaster step, walk, walk and jump, clap and jump and bend. That's your dance. Let's add that to the top. Side behind up on the right. 7, 8. Side behind and cross shuffle, heel grind, back rock. Step, pivot, roll 2, 3, 4. Back rock, half shuffle, back hitch, coaster step, walk, walk and jump, clap and jump, knee bend. So that is your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Side behind up on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, clap 6 and 7 and 8. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Side behind up on the right. 7, 8. Side behind and cross shuffle, heel grind, back rock. Step, pivot, roll 2, 3, 4. Back rock, half shuffle, back hitch, coaster step, walk, walk and jump, clap and jump, knee pop. Side behind and cross shuffle, heel grind, back rock. Step, pivot, roll 2, 3, 4. Back rock, half shuffle, back hitch, coaster step, walk, walk and jump, clap and jump, knee pop. Side behind and cross shuffle, heel grind, back rock. Step, pivot, roll 2, 3, 4. Back rock, half shuffle, back hitch, coaster step, walk, walk and jump, clap and jump, knee pop. So hopefully you managed to follow that. That is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Side behind, cross shuffle, heel grind, back rock, step, pivot, hip roll, back rock, half shuffle, back hitch, coaster step, walk, walk and jump and hop. Side behind the cross shuffle, heel grind, back rock, step, pivot, hip roll, back rock, half shuffle, back hitch, coaster step, walk, walk and jump and hop. Side behind the cross shuffle, heel grind, back rock, step, pivot, hip roll, back rock, half shuffle, back hitch, coaster step, walk, walk and jump and hop. Side behind the cross shuffle, heel grind, back rock, step, pivot, hip roll, back rock, half shuffle, back hitch, coaster step, walk, walk and jump and hop. Side behind, pivots, back rock, coaster, side behind, pivots, back rock, coaster, side behind, Coaster. Side behind. Pivots. Back rock. Coaster. Side behind. Hope you managed that one.